Let's gaze indaba zo-1KZNTV uyifundela usamkeliswa kaNqulunga angikumingeleleke mbukeli nazi-ke ihamba phambili osukwini namhlanje. Kutuswa Amagalelo Kashenge bafuna ukuba nomasipala wabo E-Pomeroy kanti umhlaziyi uthi umengameli uqomelisa abamesekayo. Zishiyelane-ke inkundla izikhulumo ezahlukene ezincoma amagalelo kaMntwana okaPhindangene ngenkathi kunesifundo ngempilo yalesi sishoshovu ebesibanjelwe esikhumulweni sezindiza esisondini iMangosuthu Regional Airport. Lesi sifundo besandulela-ke imidlalo ebizwa ngeMangosuthu Legacy Cup ebanjelwe khona uLundi. Lezi ikhulumi ziqhamise kakhulu iqhaza alibamba eNingizimu Afrika ngesikhathi-ke zomzabalazo.
Uchazwe njengeqhawe uMntwana okaPhindangene kwinqophamlando yomcimbi obuwandulela imidlalo yebhola likanobhutshuzwayo ebizwa ngePrince Mangosuthu Legacy Cup ebibanjelwe uLundi. Omunye-ke wabagqamile abaphawule ngobuqhawe bukaMntwana okaPhindangene ngumengameli we-IFP uVelenkosini Hlabisa. uHlabisa uthi-ke unethemba lokuthi ukuba khona kwale midlalo kuzoletha umnotho kubantu abakhela uLundi namaphethelo.
I have no doubt, Kashenge, that this event will promote tourism and showcase local talent. This event is indeed keeping the promises we made, attracting and inviting Kaizer Chiefs legends, AmaZulu FC, Richards Bay FC, Royal AM, Mbabane Swallows, and Charter 11 to Ulundi will no doubt boost the local economy of the Zululand district, as all the hotels and B&B will be fully occupied over this weekend. This is what we promised to invest in the local economic development of the area and thereby ensuring the sustainability of jobs for our people. I want to encourage the Zululand district to forge ahead, attracting opportunities to develop our youth and investment for the benefit of the people of Zululand. I also urge you, Zululand District Municipality, to keep going forward and ensure that the legacy of the Prince of Phindangene, which is the treasure of our nation, is protected, promoted, and preserved for generations to come. The Prince of Phindangene is a true living witness of integrity, honesty, and servant leadership. It is my and our prayers that many institutions and foundations must lift up the good life and the great legacy the servant of the people, the Prince of Phindangene, who devoted almost 7 decades serving our people, can be taken forward.
uHlabisa ubesefisela uShenge ukwelulama njengobelele esibhedlela.
I join all the people of goodwill who are praying for the speedy recovery of the Prince of Phindangene, as we know he is in hospital. It is our prayer that God keeps and protects the Prince of Phindangene to live and see many more years.
Kanti-ke inkosana yenkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi uMntwana uZuzifa Buthelezi uthi uzizwe elusizi ngokungabibikho kukaShenge kulo mcimbi.
So when Mr. Lunga Sokela, then the general manager of the AmaZulu Football Club, came with the idea of this tournament and decided that it should honor Prince Buthelezi's legacy, our entire family was delighted. We are grateful that the Prince Mangosuthu Legacy Cup continued under Mr. Sandile Zungu's leadership and that it has grown from strength to strength.
Umntwana uZuzifa ubesezwakalisa indlela ubaba wakhe aseka ngayo lemidlalo ebanjelwe uLundi njengoba sengokwesine kulonyaka.
Since the inception of this tournament, our father has supported its success. Whilst he is humbled by celebrations of his legacy, he has always believed that his legacy will only have meaning and potential perpetuity if it makes a real difference in people's lives. This Legacy Cup is doing just that through tourism, small enterprise opportunities, as well as social cohesion within the Zululand district.
Kanti-ke kumdlalo bekhona namuhla sibe nethuba lokuxoxa nabaqeqeshi bamaqembu abebeyingxenye yalomqhudelwano. Umqeqeshi weqembu Royal AM uJohn Maduka uthi-ke ukuba ingxenye yalomqhudelwano kumnika ithuba elihle lokulungiselela isizini ebuke ngokwanele ukuthi kukuphi lapha ezakhe eyisadinga ukwenyusa amasokisi khona.
You want to see because we have gone through preparation, so you want to see whatever you've been doing at training, that is it happening in the field of play, playing with the opposition that don't know you. So you want to check that, but at the same time also you want to see how long can the players play, how many minutes can they be able to play without getting tired, doing the same thing consistently. So there are so many things that you see. You don't only see the positives, you don't also just see the negatives, you see both, so that you've got the right balance. You know what you've done well, but you know also where you have to improve. So happy that there's so many things that we have seen in this game. There are so many positives, but at the same time so there were negatives that when we go by the training, we'll try and rectify so that we don't make the same mistakes when we play the first match against Amazulu next week.
Umqeqeshi weRichards Bay FC uKaitano Tembo uthi-ke usenaso isithombe sangahle kulindele njengoba kuzoqala isizini ka-2023-2024.
Yeah, obviously I've got an idea of what the team looks like when we start. Because there are also a few players that I saw today who raised their hands, and today we also missed Austin Dube, through to a slight injury. So hopefully he'll be back, to prepare for our first leg of the game. If you look at it, first half we played with 3 at the back, trying to try a little bit, different combinations and see. But we struggled a little bit in that. But second half, I think we were much better.
Lo-ke uqokwe njengomdlalo ovelele kumdlalo weRichards Bay FC kanye neRoyal AM nobethelwe ngeyibonkolo njengoba evalela amagoli amabili enethini uMfundo Thikazi. Uthi-ke bagculisekile ngemphumela yalomdlalo, kanti-ke kwabona bengabadlali kubanika ithuba elihle lokuzilungiselela.
Ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola 3 point. Siwadlalile amanye ama-tournament asikwazanga ukufika lapho sifuna ukuya khona. Sathi siqhubekele phambili, so sibambisane siyiteam, ucoach basika information right, sakwazi ukubambisana sicebe siunqoba lo mdlalo. Isho okukhulu kuthina because next week siqalile igame namaZulu, so kumele siprepare ngokukhulu kuzekhandla.
Ezindabeni ze-1KZNTV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngesondini.
Amalungu omphakathi wasePomeroy maphakathi nesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal angeneleke umbhikisho efuna ukuba nomasipala wawo ozimele bephume ngaphansi komasipala waseMsinga. Engxoxweni-ke ababenayo neziko lezindaba kulesi siteshi baveza ukuthi-ke bahamba ibanga elide uma befuna usizo kulo masipala waseMsinga, futhi-ke babone sengathi lo masipala uyasindwa ngenxa yomthamo omkhulu abantu abawakhele. Ingakho-ke bebona kufanele bephume ngaphansi kwawo babeke nowabo ozimele.
Azwakalisa ungenama amalungu omphakathi asePomeroy lokuza emva kokuba sekube nesikhathi eside bengazithola izimpendulo zokuba besuswe kumasipala uMsinga. Usihlalo wePomeroy Development Committee uAndrew uthi bafisa ukwazi ukuba ibhodi elibhekelela imingcele yomasipala libanikeza nini izimpendulo.
Silana sihlangene silinde ukuhambisa imemorandum noma uhlu lwezikhalo ku-Demarcation Board KZN at around 11:30 Pomeroy Police Station. Imashi yanamhlanje-ke imayelana nokuthi u-Demarcation Board ukhiphe into akayibize nge-Annexure 2 of 2023 la khona akahlele khona ukukhanywa kwemingcele nanokumuva kwemingcele ababefaka izicelo zokuthi mhlawumbe bafuna ukuhlukana nalo masipala abakuwo beye komunye umasipala. Uthe selikhiphileke uhlu nathi sasama applicants ke asangavela kulolo hlu akalikhiphile. So umbuzo wethu ku demarcation board noma esifuna ukwazi ku demarcation board ile ethi uzosinikeza nini impendulo ngoba asizazi impendulo nanokuthi asazi ukuthi kungani mhlambe singaphendulekanga ngesikhathi leso befanele siphenduleke ngaso.
Uqhubeka ngokuthi isizathu sokuba befisa ukususwa kumasipala uMsinga ingoba uyehluleka ukubenelisa bonke.
Isikhalo sethu ke esikhulu sithi uMsinga municipality une population ka 188,000 as per IDP yakhe ka 2022-2023. Ena 188,000 ye population uphinde futhi athathe ingxenye engango 2,500 square kilometers again zithathele kiyo iIDP kamasipala ka 2022-2023. Sithi ke thina umasipala waseMsinga mkhulu kakhulu uyahluleka ukusenelisa sonke to an extent ukuthi intuthuko on the south side of uMsinga municipality is very slow. Ngicabanga ukuthi kokunyeke okusigqugquzelayo ukuthi mhlambe sicele lo masipala esiucelayo.
Indabeni ze-1KZNTV ise-E-Pomeroy.
Asike sisishelele ey'tolo sobe siqhubeke nazo indaba zethu. Asikwamukele mbukeli usabukele indaba ze-1KZNTV nazi-ke sithi zona ihamba phambili. Kutuswa Amagalelo Kashenge bafuna ukuba nomasipala wabo e-Pomeroy kanti umhlaziyi uthi umengameli uqomelisa abamesekayo. Ngemuva kokuvela kwezindaba ezithi lo bengungqongqoshe omnyango wezokuhlalisa kwabantu KwaZulu-Natal uJomo Sibiya usoqokweke njengomeluleki kaMengameli wezwe ithimba lezindaba le-1KZNTV libe nengxoxo nomhlaziyi wezepolitiki uDokotela Zakhele Shamase ngalolu daba. uShamase uthi-ke ubona uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ehlomulisa labo abameseka ngesikhathi-ke ekhankasela ukuthatha-ke ihlandla lesibili lokungamela i-ANC njengoba ngoSibiya abangomunye wabaphuma obala ngokumeseka.
Umhlaziyi wezepolitiki ozimele uDokotela Zakhele Shamase usechaze ukuqoka kaJomo Sibiya njengomeluleki kaMengameli wezwe uMnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa njengendlela yokukhombisa kwakhe ukubonga ngokumeseka ngesikhathi ekhankasela ukuthatha ihlandla lesibili lokwengamela ukhongolose.
Into ecacayo lapha ngakolunye futhi uhlangothi ukuthi umongameli ubonakala ngathi bonke labantu ababemesekile ngokuhlukana ifectionalism eseqembeni elibusayo akabalahle ngaphandle ube yabazama abanikeza izikhundla abafaka ukuze abanelisi ukuthi babe ngasohlangothini lakhe ngoba phela mawubheka nala KwaZulu-Natal abaningi abakhishiwe nababe ngabaphathiswa abakhishwe abaphuma ngenxa ukuthi bebesohlangothini olungale ukuthi abanye umsebenzi ubona ngathi abawenzi kahle sekudlulile ukukhethwa kwabantu. Kodwa lokhu kuyacaca ukuthi ubaba Ramaphosa bonke abantu abamsekile ubanike ikhundla ephezulu nangu baba usehlezika lala wavela umgaqa wamenza ungqongqoshe kuzwe lonke baningi obonaka ukuthi bafakiwe ekhundleni ngenxa ukuthi bebeseka mawubhekani nokukhethwa nje kweinhlaka zeqembu elibusayo ANC Youth League ANC Women's League uyabona abantu abangena ukuthi oqala nje abantu ongeke ubalandele manje ukuthi banenkohlakalo. Okwesibili uyabona abantu vele abazothowa the line bahambisane nobaba Ramaphosa.
uShamase ubese kushayela ihlombe ukuqoka kaSibiya wadusa namagalelo akhe kwezamabhizinisi.
Ukuqoka kaJomo Sibiya la esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal abe umeluleki kaMongameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Fanele oqala nje sikushayela ihlombe ukuthi kusho ukuthi kukhona umuntu ophuma KwaZulu-Natal othatheka njengomuntu onamava ukuthi angasebenza ofisini asebenzisane nomongameli. Oqala lokho. Kwesibili sikhumbule phela ukuthi uJomo umuntu ngaphandle ukuthi usopolitiki ngaphandle ukuthi ebekade umphathiswa KwaZulu-Natal wezezindlu ezenhlalo zokuhlala kwabantu ungusomabhizinisi manje ubaba uRamaphosa kwayena nangaphandle ukuthi umongameli usopolitiki umuntu wamabhizinisi. So mayithatha umuntu obusiness minded umuntu owazi kahle ngezomnotho wenza into enhle ngoba kusho ukuthi kukhona amava nezeluleko azozenza ukuthi konje singawukhulisa kanjani umnotho waKwaZulu-Natal la uphuma khona.
Khona manjalo kuzo ezombusazwe uShamase uphinde wavumelana nesinqumo se-EFF sokuvalela ngaphandle amakhansela ayo ahluleke ukuhlinzeka ngezokuthutha kuziyingi zawo.
Uma lemo zama ukinstila idiscipline ngoba phela uma ngabe uyilunga le EFF noma ngabe leliphi iqembu kukhona lezi ifungo enizenza kuthiwa ipledge yokuthi ingxenye imali yakho osenza ayisebenzele iqembu noma ipercent ethile imali yakho isalary yakho ayisebenzele iqembu. Nama yamaqembu akwenza lokho. Indaba ye pledge ikhona kuwonke amaqembu ukuthi akusonto ekhulunywa obala edlanga laleni.
Ezindabeni za 1KZNTV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngisempangeni.
Umasipala Inkonyeni ogwini seningizimu nesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal ubungazeke inyanga yamadoda ngokugqugquzela amadoda ukuba akhulume ngokuhlukunyezwa kwawo. Usotswebhu kulo masipala uThedi Hlophe uthi ke amadoda wabhodle angafeli ngaphakathi ngoba ukuthula kwawo ugcina ke sekubafakela ingcindezi begcina ke sebenza izinto eziphambene nomthetho. Umasipala Inkonyeni ogwini nesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal uthi ke amadoda abhekene nezinkinga eziningi emakhaya, emsebenzini nasemphakathini. Njengoba-ke namhlanje behlele uhlelo bafuna ukuthi-ke amadoda akwazi ukukhuluma ngezingqinamba abhekene nazo ukuze kuthuthukiswe umphakathi. Njengoba kwaziwa ukuthi inyanga kaNtulukazi iyona nyanga-ke ehlelwe njengenyanga yamadoda.
Amadoda anama-challenges ngabe isemakhaya, isemsebenzini, ekuhlaleni. Bekwakhiwa nje umuntu wesilisa oyindoda ukuze abhekelele isizwe sakithi ngoba yikona angathuthukisa isizwe sakithi uma ebumbene esebenzisana amadoda. Uma ehambela ezinye zezindawo, it's either isemaklinikhi emtholampilo noma sezikhungweni zamaphoyisa ezama ukubika ama-challenges anawo, akathatheki serious, ayahlekwa, akathathelwa phezulu njengabunye ubulili. Ayakhala amadoda ngaloko, ayafisa whether ise-police station, kwemakliniki athathelwe phezulu nezimfihlo zawo uma enama-challenges ngokuphila, anakekelwe ngendlela efanele amadoda.
Laba-ke bathi-ke uthando kuqala ngokuthi-ke amadoda azithande wona kuqala ngaphambi kokuthi athande abanye abantu.
Ngaphambi kokuthi uzitshele ukuthi uyindoda, zazi ukuthi uyindoda. And then ukuze uzazi ukuthi uyindoda fanele kubize ukuthi uzithande wena njengomuntu wesilisa, uzinakekele njengomuntu wesilisa, uzokwazi unakekele nabanye futhi ubathande. So emntwini mhlawumbe ongazange azabe khona lana namhlanje impela bengifisa particularly wesilisa ukuthi azazi ukuthi ungubani in society, ungubani ekhaya la ezalwa khona, nokuzithanda isikakhulukazi.
Abesilisa abathathu abangabashayeli bamaloli bathuka-ke izanya kulandela ukusinda ngokulambisa behlaselwa komqashwa Everolem ngeledlule. Umbuyiseni Majola uthi isono sabo ukutholakala endaweni ontshontshwa kuyudizili abenkampani yonogada nababeke sebebiza umqashi wabo ofike wangabuza lutho wabaphunyela ngawo esho-ke ukubalayitha bephila, kepha-ke basinda ngokulambisa. Umajola kuthi-ke bathole ukulimala endaweni ebucayi kanti-ke bazizwa bengaphephile.
Basathuka izanya abesilisa abathathu kulandela isigameko sokuhlaselwa umqashi wabo ngemuva kokubanjwa endaweni abangagunyaziwe ukuba kuyo. Laba abangabashayeli bamaloli ngaphansi kwenkampani i-Downcrest Trucking bathi-ke nakuba batholakala endaweni okwebiwa kuyo udizili kabazange-ke babanjwe nawo. Bathi-ke okubuhlungu umqashi wabo obizwe-ke abenkampani yonogada eqapha lendawo wasebenzisa isihluku ukubajezisa.
Sitholakale esehlakalweni sokuthi kuntshontsha udizela kuyona leyo ndawo, kodwa sitholakala singenawo udizela thina esuyebile. Kwatholakala ukuthi siyaboshwa-ke kanjalo, siboshelwe ukuthi sitshontshe udizela singekho kuleyo nto, azange siwuntshontshe thina udizela. Kwase kutholakala akade bewuntshontsha udizela khona lapha, athi sitholakala imoto ibulayishile. Kwathatha udizela sathelwa ngawo, sithelwa umphathi wethu, umnikazi wekhampani. Wase ethi ufuna ukusishisa urelation, wasethi ngoba wakukhona umphathi wabo waka-relation, wathi uzoba nayo zona iy'mpendulo zalokho. Njengoba sithela ngaleya nto yasilimaza-ke isitho sethu sangasese. Emndenini wami ungehlisa isithunzi ngimdala kangaka, kodwa inkantolo ithole singenacala futhi thina ade sesisenkantolo.
Ngokuthola kweziko lezindaba lesigameko senzeke mhla zinga-21 kwephezulu eHazelmere Drive Everolem. Laba bathi-ke vele isimo abasebenza ngaphansi kwaso sinzima njengoba-ke bengenawo amaholidi bayacwaswa, bahola-ke imali encane, kanti kukhona-ke izikhathi lapho beshawa khona. Bathi-ke ukuhlukunyezwa abaqashi kuhlikihla usawoti esilondeni njengoba-ke bengabashayeli bamaloli basabhekene nenkinga yokusabela izimpilo zabo kwazise isigameko zokushiswa kwamaloli okuqhubekayo kuleli.
Indlela esisebenza ngayo ngasho ukuthi is-oppressed. Awusinawo amalungelo, awunalungelo, uyasebenza nje Monday to Friday, awuna day off to Sunday sometimes, awuna day off, awuna holiday pay, awuna pay slip. We are underpaid, almost 6,000 a driver, code 14 driver, 6,000 a month. Esikufisayo thina ngoba lento lesiyayibona ayiqala ukwenzeka lapha ecompany ukuthi kube khona ubulungiswa. Khona umunye umfana wakwashaywa naye bayihlala khona emzini wakhe bamshaya bamphuca ama documents akhe bawadabula ama documents akhe okusebenza. Wathi asuka lapho futhi na this year wakuphinda komunye shothi umthatha like umuntu o mentally ill yabo. Wakwenza na kuyena ke futhi for a second time. Thina sesingabe sithathu since ngikhona kule company, so at least mhlambe kube khona indlela naye athola ipunishment ngayo thizeni according to umthetho ke, kodwa ngoba thina sikwazi ukuyithathela umthetho njengaye.
Iziko lezindaba lizame izikhawu ukuthola umqashi osolwayo, kepha watshela iziko lezindaba ukuthi laba bazilimazile ngesikhathi ke beba udizili. Wale waphetha ukuphawula ngokusemthethweni ngalolu daba, kanti okhulwini lamaphoyisa esifundazweni uqinisekise ukuthi kuphenywa ke amacala okuzama ukubulala.
Police in Verulama are investigating cases of attempted murder following an incident that occurred at Hazelmere Drive on 21 July. It is alleged that the victims were doused with a flammable substance by their employer after he allegedly accused them of stealing from him.
Ezindabeni ze-1KZNTV kube kuntombi khona Mfubu eThekwini.
Asiphinde sisishelele etolo sokusiqhubeka futhi nazindaba zethu. Asiphinde sikwamukele ngembukelo usabukele indaba ze-1KZNTV naze bisithi zone ihamba phambili. Kutuswa Amagalelo Kashenge bafuna ukuba nomasipala wabo E-Pomeroy, kanti umhlaziyi uthi umengameli uqomelisa abamesekayo. Ake sibheke engosini yezomnotho. Izimakethe ezivale irandi lakuleli lu-17.86 maqhathaniswa nedola laseMelika, libo 22.84 maqhathaniswa nopondo waseBritain, libo 19.61 maqhathaniswa ne-euro yase-Europe. Igolide lona belu $1,951.70 ounce, kuthi wona ongahluziwe wona u-84.24 umphongolo. Ake sibheke engosini yezemidlalo. Umgadli wakulelo gijima kwiqembu laphesheya kwezilwandle iMinnesota United ubongo okuhle Hlongwane uthi-ke uhlabeke umxhwele ngendlela adlala ngayo muva nje, nakuba-ke benganakile ukuthi sehlohle amagoli angakanani. Ngesonto-ke ubhakuzise kabili nethi bebhaxabula-ke iClub Hoopla ngamagoli-ke 4 eqandeni emdlalweni we-League Cup. Useshayeke amagoli ali-10 kuyo yonke imiqhudelwano, amanye-ke amagoli ayisithupha wavaleleke emidlalweni ye-League Major League Soccer, amanye-ke amabili kwi-US Open Cup. Nasike isimo sezulu esingalindeleka. Bukeleke ziyagoqa bese kuphathile zona osukwini namhlanje. Nanani ke sesiyohlangana futhi masiphinde sihlangana nisale kahle emakhaya.